Crocodile is back. But remember his rule. If the number is smaller, he steps away. Let's see what happens today. Look at these numbers, 8 and 5. Which number is smaller? Yes, 5 is smaller than 8. Watch Crocodile. He steps away from 5. 5 is smaller than 8. Now let's try one together. Look at these numbers, 3, 9 and 5. Step 1. Compare 3 and 9. Is 3 smaller than 9? Yes, 3 is smaller than 9. Step 2. Compare 3 and 5. Is 3 smaller than 5? Yes, 3 is smaller than 5. Now think. 3 is smaller than 9 and 3 is smaller than 5. So 3 is smaller than both numbers. That means 3 is the smallest. Croc steps away from 3. If it's smaller, Croc steps back. Tiny numbers, he won't snack. Bye little learners, see you in the next Crocodile challenge.